What do you think the most important thing to
tell, discuss,
or to discuss, to ask?
To discuss, I think. I think the responsibility of fight to be part of change. You know, the fact that we need to still fight, like we are crazy people, to be part of the construction of new meaning in the world. And I think that right that we have as artists has been taking off us, you know, and we need to recuperate that. The right to be part of the process of defining what things mean in the world and what things mean in big and in society, and not to be secluded into the art market only. And also I think that political artists need to be also very, very conscious that we need to do labor also inside our own art world, because there is a lot of politics and a lot of injustice inside our own art world as well. You know, so we have two battles: the internal battle and the outside battle against the injustice of certain governments and people who want to be in power forever.
Yes, it's true. How are you now, by the way? You are in Havana, yeah?
I'm very happy to be talking to you guys. I'm very glad.
We are happy also.
Yes.
Means a lot.
And we want to say also that we appreciate your position, that you don't want to leave Cuba now.
Because we have kind of the same position.
Tanya, have you been able to get a lawyer down there?
Well, I haven't been able. I saw around 7 different lawyers, and now I'm being a student of law. Now I'm studying law with a professor. Now I learned this week that they should have never, it was illegal for them to negate the service. So now I have to try again. But the problem is that there is no separation between the three powers in Cuba. So the lawyers work for the government, and they cannot go against the government when they are in a trial. It's complicated. We'll see. It's complicated. Because it has to be a Cuban lawyer.
Tanya, we had one other question for you as well, which was, you were able to see El Sexto in prison recently, and we wanted to find out maybe how he was doing, and,
yes.
and the women wanted to convey their thoughts to him.
Yeah. I think we have to understand that in Cuba there is no prison for conscience, there is no political prisoners, so what they do is they find a civil cause, you know, like you did something wrong that is not political, but it's like public scandal or something, offense of somebody, something that is a civic cause and not political. Therefore, El Sexto and anybody who is doing any political critique that goes to jail is with common prisoners.
Yes, it's the same situation in Russia.
But it's absurd that in 2000, like, you know, in 21st century still you have these prisoners for such things, you know, for doing art, you know? It's like crazy.